We are in the business of exporting potatoes for the last 16 years. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम संदीप ठक्कर है. I am the founding director of SK Cold Storage. Since our foundation in 2006, we have been supplying potato to the market in the Middle East and Southeast Asia at very reasonable rate. Our customers are mainly from countries in the Far East Asia, Gulf and near Indian Ocean. And majority of corporate customers are F&B manufacturing companies engaged in the business of potato chips. We also partner with the government entities directly to destination countries. As a first initiator from India, we saw the potential in export business of processed variety of potatoes. Starting from 100 to 200 containers a year, we have now scaled up our operation to exporting around 1,500 containers of potatoes every year to the different countries. हमको इस बिज़नेस में काफ़ी स्कोप दिख रहा है और आने वाले सालों में हम इसको एक्सपांड करना चाहते हैं दूसरी कंट्रीज में, और उसके लिए हमको लग रहा है कि एक अच्छा स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर चाहिए. Musk has been the perfect partner who supported us with end-to-end integrated logistics with a strong presence in global supply chain, efficiently with a strong expertise in local customized solution.
Earlier, we used to spend a lot of our quality bandwidth on unproductive activities like unrelated to our business. This impacted our overall efficiency and became a roadblock in achieving our ambitions. When we partnered with Musk, we discussed the logical challenges with them and they came up with a revolutionary idea of an integrated cold chain solution which translates into bundling our products with flexibility, customization according to our needs and preferences.
After packing our cargo, the end-to-end logistics and supply chain management is taken care by the team of Musk.
This simplified our end-to-end supply chain and gave us the opportunity to focus more on our core business.
In our line of work, we often deal with the real-time last-minute needs of our customers. Musk has ensured us a dedicated booking team as well as custom house agent available 24/7 at the port who help us in cargo clearance and gating. This has reduced our risk of last-moment cargo rolling.
Recently, our supply chain was disrupted badly as a result of the contingency situation at Pipavav port due to the Taukte cyclone. Musk cold chain team helped us to re-establish the supply chain within a week with strong infrastructure, flexibility and local expertise in handling the highly perishable cargo.
Additionally, with the holistic booking and documentation services until BL release, there are no longer any hassles of documentation. Partnering with the Musk, our supply chain has transformed from being action oriented to the result driven. Right from our origin at the cold storage to our customer destination, the team ensure a seamless efficiency and effective coordination for delivering the consignment. Coupled up with the digitized solution from the Musk, we are now having complete visibility and reliability of timeless and quality parameters. We recommend you to go all the way with the Musk.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें.